In this video, we are going to solve all the problems related to table in Microsoft Word. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Sometimes we are very comfortable to work with text in Microsoft Word, but when we try to insert table, sometimes various problems happens. So here we are going to solve those problems. To insert a table in Microsoft Word, we first need to know how many rows and columns I actually need. Let me go to Insert, go to Tables. Suppose we need 5 columns and 4 lines. You can easily select from here 5 columns and the 4 rows. If I click on over here, you will see the table has been inserted. If I want to delete this, click on this sign and here you will find delete and you can click on delete tables, then the table will be deleted. We can use another method. Go to Insert, go to Table. Here you will find an option Insert Table. Let me write the number of column. Suppose I need 6 columns and 5 rows and click on OK. And this is also perfect for me. Now let me write here ID nong, here address, date. If I want to merge these two cells into one, just select these two, click on right button and just click on merge cell, and here I can easily merge this. If I want to increase the size of this row, just select it and increase the size. If I want to add another rows over here, I can go to Insert, go to Tables. Here you will find an option Draw Table. I can easily draw a line over here, and again go to Table Layout and uncheck the Draw Table. If I want to remove it, just go to Table Layout. You will find an option Erase. Let me click on over here and this will be removed. Again click on the Erase. If I want to split this table, if I want to split from here, click on over here, go to Table Layout and click on Split Table, and here you will see the table has been splitted. Just click on the delete and it will be okay like the previous. Now if I want to add another rows over here, let me click on over here, click on right button, go to Insert, let me click on Insert Column to the right, and here you will see a column has been inserted. If I want to interchange the column, I want to interchange the address and I want to keep it over here. Let me select this like this and click on the left button of your mouse and drag it over here, and you will see the column has been interchanged. If I want to delete any column, let me select it, click on right button, go to Delete Column, and here you will see the column has been deleted. If I want to add another rows, click on over here, click on Enter, and you will see another rows has been inserted. I can easily do it by clicking on right button, go to Insert, click on Insert Row below. If I want to name the table, this is not actually possible to write over the table. To write over here, just click on over here and click on Enter, and you will find an option to name the table. If I want to delete it, just select it and click on Delete button again, and here you will see the name has been removed. Let me write here 211, 200, 202. If I want to interchange the rows, let me select the row, let me select this, and from your keyboard just press Ctrl Shift up arrow key or the down arrow key, and here you will see the rows has been interchanged. If you want to change the text direction in your table, select the text, and here you will find an option Text Direction. You can simply click on over here, and this is perfect. If you want to align it like this, here various option, you can adjust it from here. If you want to change the height of the rows, just select from here and you can change the height from here very easily, and the height will be equal. If you want to increase the width of the table border, just click on over here, click on right button, go to Table Properties, and here you will find an option Border and Shading, and you can easily change the width of your table borders and click on OK. Click on OK, and here you will see this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.